Hey, what's up everybody? JP here, and I'm back with another little video. And this video is going to be about bringing power to the back of the Jeep. So this relates to when I installed the JCR off-road molly panel that I have here by the back window. So this video is about making up a gang box to put some electrical switches, and eventually I'm going to run electric to this box via from the front engine using a fuse block on this panel. So today basically I'm taking this gang box that I got off Amazon, and I'm going to be putting these switches, which I also got off Amazon, and these little I guess switch holders, and it's actually pretty cool. You can actually see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they all basically slide together, so you can basically make this as small or as big as you want. And of course I'm having trouble, but there you go. You can see they all slide together. So I have 2 switches. I'm gonna have lights, so eventually the plan is to put a light back here for nighttime, fresh water, and then 2 power outlets, and I'm leaving an extra one here. And then I'm also going to put an on-off switch here on the box, so that way when the power is running here and we're not using the Jeep, I could just flip this switch off and don't have to worry about any power coming here to the box, and it'll just be front to the fuse. So this is pretty much going to be pretty simple. I'm just going to take some measurements of this and this guy, transfer it here onto the box, cut out the front of the box. This will go on the top, and then I'm going to mount the box, and then we'll have to drill a hole for the top, or probably on the bottom, to bring in our power and our negative, which will come off the fuse box. So it should be pretty simple. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Hopefully this plastic will allow me to cut through it. And we're gonna go over to the table. I'm gonna use the Dremel, take some measurements, and yeah, that should be it. So hopefully this one goes quick, and then once this is done, I'm gonna do another video running the power from the battery here to the fuse box, and then hooking everything up. All right, let's go to the table. All right, so here's my setup. Obviously my switches. I have a caliper to measure that. I have a triangle so that way I can transfer onto here. Markers. Here's my Dremel tool. So basically I'm going to take some measurements, obviously length and width, transfer that onto here, Dremel it out. Let's see, hopefully this doesn't get destroyed. All right, let's do that right now. All right, so got it obviously marked out. Just gonna take this, just see how it fits inside. So looks good. So I'm gonna cut right on the line, and then yeah, so we'll Dremel that out right now. Alright, so there it is. It's cut out. Just gonna sand it out a little bit. There's some burred edges and stuff, so just gonna switch this out to one of these fittings, and then I'm gonna clean it up. All right, so I cleaned up the edging a little bit, and there you go. You can see I'm just test fitting so everything fits in there. I'm gonna wait to put this whole setup in here, just because I want to now drill out that power switch. So I'm gonna go get that, measure that up, and drill this out. All right, so moment of truth. I cleaned up the edges with the little Dremel bit. There we go. So that fits. Let's see if all the other switches fit into here. And then we're going to mount this in the on the JCR off-road panel, and then we're done for today. Aha! Look at that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get like a little blank switch cover here, but I'm just leaving this open just so I always have the option of adding something else if we need to down the line. But yeah, I don't know. What do you think? So that little power switch, so that'll turn it on, off, and then a kitchen light for the light on the back tailgate. Gonna have a little freshwater pump, so that's coming soon, and then 2 power outlets for charging whatever. All right, let's go put this in the back of the Jeep. All right, so let's get this mounted and then we're done. So I'm using sheet metal screws just because the holes don't line up anywhere. So hopefully sheet metal screws will tap into this real easily. Otherwise I'll have to pilot drill them, and I don't want to do that because I just want to get this in. So I'm going to just make sure it lines up nice. Alright, that's in. Alright, it's in! Haha! So on the next video, I will be mounting this with the with the wire runs, probably somewhere around here. So that'll be for the next video. But yeah, came out pretty good. Pretty much came out how I expected it to. Alright, so thanks for tuning into this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you hit the bell, you'll get notifications of when we drop a new video. So this is kind of like a part 1 in adding power here to the back of the Jeep, with the ultimate goal of eventually we're going to put a small fridge back here. I'm going to install, I actually have the light, I just have... Alright, so I already have the light, so it's going to go up here on the glass. So I have that. I have the water pump that's going to go back here. I'm going to probably add like a 10-gallon little tank, and that way we'll have running water eventually. But yeah, so now I have this with 2 chargers back here if I want to charge anything or run anything up to the rooftop tent. I'm pretty happy about how everything came out. So I will link down below in the description to these items that I got off of Amazon. So if you want to take a look at them and you click on them, you can set up something just like this. All right. Thank you again to all our new subscribers, and don't forget, make sure you check out our Midland USA, the MXT400 install here in the Jeep, and also the install we did in the RV. If you watch those videos, there's a way to get entries for our giveaway, which will be drawn on September 30th. Other than that, please check out our Teespring store. We got a bunch of cool t-shirts in there, and if you make a purchase, some of that money we get back and then throw it into Jeep projects. All right, today is my first day of vacation. I'm super stoked. We have some trips planned, and I'm gonna try and do a lot of projects. I'm really tired of living by an airport. It's like every 5 minutes there's an airplane taking off. All right, see you on the next video.